Peel, peel. Please peel the potatoes. Spread, spread. She spread some butter on her toast. Break, break. She breaks one egg into a bowl. Pour, pour. Don't pour water on the ground. Roll out, roll out. He rolls out the dough on a flat surface. Melt, melt. My ice cream is melting. Fry, fry. He is frying a chicken for lunch. Mash, mash. She mashed the potatoes. Drain, drain. Please drain the pasta. Mix, mix. I mixed the flour with 4 eggs. Squeeze, squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the food? Great, great. Can you grate some cheese for me? Chop, chop. Chop the carrots up into small pieces. Pinch, pinch. I pinch little salt into the soup. Sauté, sauté. You should sauté the onions for 3 minutes. Boil, boil. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. Bake, bake. Nowadays, I bake my own cookies rather than buy it. slice, slice. He is slicing the pizza. Steam, steam. You should steam the vegetables. Roast, roast. I am roasting the chicken. Sift, sift. She is sifting the flour into a bowl. Knead, knead. Knead the dough until smooth. Blend, blend. Please blend the fruits. Stir, stir. Please give me a teaspoon to stir my tea. Add, add. I want to add some pepper to the salad. Barbecue, barbecue. If the weather is fine, we'll barbecue in the ranch.